Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac, then tap your name to access Apple ID. Once there, go straight to Payment and Shipping to see the card on file. You'll change or remove it. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and have your Apple ID password handy, because Apple may ask to re-authenticate. You need to see recent charges and current subscriptions. That tells you whether to stop future billing or request refunds. Start by locating the payment method. Once done locating the payment method, go into Subscriptions and cancel each subscription you don't want to auto-renew. Do it now to stop future charges. Then return to Payment and Shipping, choose Edit, and either replace the card with another valid method or remove it. Apple requires at least one valid method for some services, so swap first if necessary. If you use family sharing, make sure the organizer's card is updated or removed too, because family purchases bill to the organizer's payment method. Finish by confirming edits and signing out, then back in to force Apple's servers to refresh your billing status. If you see recent unauthorized or recurring charges, use Report a Problem to request a refund. Explain why and include dates. Make sure to contact your bank to block the card or issue a new number if charges continue. If changes don't save, reboot device, update iOS or Mac OS, and call Apple support for account verification and manual assistance. This usually resolves persistent billing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.